Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to offer you some foreign exchange charts to look at today. The first one is Euro against the dollar. A second bearish black Mariposa yesterday and follow on lower to the recent break below all the moving averages. It was a significant move back below the April to May congestion from 2017 between about 109.30 down to 108.60. However, the close barely made it within this band. Today we've already tried higher up to the mild congestion overhead between 110.5 and 110.20 from November last year and again from February this year before dropping back down. We're now testing back down to the old gap level left from April 2017 between 107.77 and 108.20 that halted the drop back in February. Overall, I'm starting to see, or rather feel, that the whole year so far may be a diamond pattern. Now, consolidation or a diamond bottom, I'm not sure as yet. The next chart to look at is cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A seventh bearish black crow yesterday, and this time it was a bearish long black Mariposa that punched down through the significant middle tine, currently at 119.59 of the big 2016 to 2018 shift pitchfork. The halt on the drive low was perhaps predictably just above the low of the October 2016 flash crash at 114.48. Below this we have a congestion area from last century from January 1985 between 111 even and 113, and yes, I was in the markets at that time. The next chart I'd like to look at is the euro against sterling. A bullish long white Mariposa yesterday, a really long one, and the 8th consecutive bullish white soldier yesterday as well. The rise was initially eroded by the August 2019 high up to 93.24, but ultimately it was the highs from 2009 at 94.12 and 94.90 that halted the rise, and have done so again today, though the market has made an effort to try higher through those today. It is currently, though, looking indecisive. US dollar against the Indian rupee. An interesting series of technical events this week. What started on Monday with a bearish gravestone doji was followed Tuesday by a lower but still indecisive doji cross. This in turn followed yesterday with a big bullish engulfing pattern. There was also a bullish closing long white Mariposa, which additionally challenged the all-time high set last week and which today has seen a gapping move higher. This move higher, despite being a gapping move, is tentative. It is still challenging the recently projected 50% Fibonacci line at 75.10, well, so far. The final chart I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Brazilian real. A bullish opening white Mariposa and counter to the previous session's higher but still indecisive spinning top pattern. It was also the first close up over the previous all-time high and by definition also obviously the third consecutive move up over it as well. Interestingly, the market was capped by the recent post-Carnival 50% Fibonacci line at 52.25. One other item to bear in mind, we now have the upper tine of the mildly bullish big 2013 to 2017 move creeping into the top of the chart. Today it's currently at 546.80. This is a little above the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 541.65. That about wraps it up. So in the meantime, good trading and stay safe in the markets and in real life.